Queso dip is great for any occasion, but with the NFL playoffs upon us and the Super Bowl right around the corner, it's an absolute staple. Let me show you how to make a cheesy, delicious queso dip you can easily scale up to please any size crowd. To begin, let's add 1 tablespoon of butter to a saucepan over medium heat, and then we're gonna break up and brown about 1/2 pound of mild Italian sausage. With the sausage now browned, let's add 1 can of Ro-tel partially drained and 1 small can of diced green chilies. I'm using just a Hatch mild. Now let's stir this to incorporate, and we're gonna let it cook for just a few minutes. Now add in 1 teaspoon of ground cumin and 1 teaspoon of Chipotle chili powder. And we're gonna stir to get that mixed in as well. All right, so now for the cheesy part. We're gonna add in 1/2 pound of cubed Velveeta. And you wanna get that melted, stirring frequently. You wanna make sure that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan or burn. And you may need to turn the heat down a little as needed. Once the Velveeta is completely melted and combined, let's add in 1 cup each of fresh grated Monterey Jack and fresh grated Cheddar Cheese. And then we're gonna get that mixed in, and you wanna stir that regularly until it's melted as well. All right, so now we're gonna do a little taste test here, and we'll have to adjust our seasonings as needed. So I think it needs just a little bit of salt in there, not a lot. We'll get this added, just stirred in, and I think we're good to go. Got a nice little kick to it. All right, so here we go, folks. Some cheesy deliciousness. A nice, awesome queso dip. I hope you enjoy this. One recommendation, if you've got an old crock pot or a crock pot that would be suitable for this size, I would recommend keeping it on warm just to keep this melted. I've got one of those my mom had when I was growing up, so it's that avocado green, you know, with the brown crock inside. Works perfect. So anyways, hope you all enjoy. Thanks for tuning in.